gonna make green beans today. I've been wanting to make these for a long time. I was in a Greek restaurant, had their green beans, and I just can't get them out of my mind. I'm going to use frozen green beans. This is 1 pound package. I'm going to use olive oil, garlic, onion, oregano, tomatoes, a little bit of salt and pepper, and let's get started. I'm going to start off with 1/3 cup of olive oil. In my research on how to make a good batch of green beans, Greek style, I saw people using 1/2 cup, and I think, well, 1/3 cup should be enough. I'm going to add my onion. Now that's only about half of that. It's half of that onion that you saw, that medium-sized onion. Now I'm going to turn the heat on and just let this slowly come up to heat and brown these onions, or cook the onions. Can you see that bubbling? That's taken quite a while to start happening because I'm on such low heat. But I'm going to let this bubble like this and cook the onion for about 5 minutes. I think should be enough. The onions have cooked. They've actually gone for about 15 minutes. I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of kosher salt in there. I think I should have added it at the start. I'm going to help the onions get cooked faster. I'm going to add 3/4 teaspoon dry oregano, 3 cloves of garlic, and let this cook for about a minute. It's cooked about 2 minutes. I'm going to add my frozen green beans with all the frozen water. That's fine, nothing wrong with that. I'm going to add my tomatoes that I put up last year. Let me give this a stir around, because this is really going to make the pot cold. I'm actually on my stove, I'm on number 1. It seems to be about the right setting. Now I'm going to add some water to come up, kind of about halfway. And we're going to put the lid on and let these go and get hot again. You want to cook this until all the water is gone. Let's come up to a bubble. I'm going to go ahead and add another 1/2 teaspoon of salt. My tomatoes, when I canned them, I didn't put any salt in them, so that shouldn't hurt anything. Let's give it a stir around. I did turn the heat up to get it to bubble like this, because just to get it started. I'm going to put the lid on like that and continue to cook. After about 15 minutes, I'm going to come and check on it and turn the heat down, because we want the water gone, but we don't want to burn it either. Here's the green beans. Most, if not all, of the water has cooked out, which is what you want. They smell wonderful. Get just a little bit here. Try them and see what I think. Does this remind me of that restaurant? Very, very good. And yes, it does. They need more salt on them though. I should have checked for salt. But if you like Greek style green beans, I'd say give it a go. Thank you so much for watching.